power of DCovert computers. Placing the screen, the Lenovo P16s Thinkpad 40-pin LCD of some high resolution. I forgot what it was exactly, but he has a crack in the screen originally. Progressively worse with all the adhesive, but the new screen stored away. You might hear some background noise. My house, obviously, people still hear. I'll be playing music in the background as I on the side edit. So enjoy. This very carefully. As you can tell, there's a lot of adhesive in here. Easiest to remove, but out. Just partially taking off the tape that I put on there temporarily because quiet. This is a production system. Pretty much client runs a business. I don't know if he owns it or not, but yeah, this is our only system. So you can tell I'm just trying to be very careful. Damage anything or destroy anything. Okay. Seemingly was Chinese, I believe, or something of that quality. So, but came out of Long Island, which I'm up in the Hudson Valley, so. Let's see if I can get this in. Now to find my tape. There we go. There we go. That'll keep it on. Okay. This, oh, okay, good. Protector on it. Let's see if we get this in. Okay. Got to flip this around. I'm not gonna let you guys see it until I know it's verifiable. Okay. Sounds good. Wrapped in there. I don't know how to get it out, but that's the thing about these Lenovos. Now, back in. Why is it not responding? And it works nice too. As you can tell, it works beautifully. Okay. Doesn't look like it has any dead pixels far. So working so good so far, and yeah, we'll be done. Quick screen repair on a Lenovo Thinkpad P16s client's laptop. Dropped it off yesterday. Saw that the screen that I had bought didn't physically fit, so I had to buy a new one. Got that going. The seller actually verified the compatibility ahead of time, asked me for all the information for it, and sent me the obviously the correct display, 40 pin instead of a 30 pin, which on the P16s it goes both ways. Put everything back together, and thanks for watching. I'll probably be putting more videos up on the channel here on the computers. Do a quick video on. I'll throw it on the put an order for it, but never paid, so I don't know. We'll see about that. But for now, take care of this, and I'll talk. Putting another video up eventually. Let's see. Just situate it carefully. Pull. Okay. Sit correct. There we go. Come on. These things are a little tricky with the adhesive and the clips. There we go. Find those clips and clip them in. Avoid doing major damage. That's why I have this screen on. So we can verify if there was any damage. I'll clean the screen one last time. And clean the screen after I'm done. With all the fingerprints I'm sure of. No. Click. Let's see. Shut. Oh, that's down an edge. Still bugging down on. Don't like that bottom edge too much. There we go. Got it. Okay, another one clip. Testing the, make sure that the screen doesn't fall out. in. Still a little loose, being what it is. It's in there. It's not coming out. So I'm not too worried. It'll work. That was a quick turnaround. The laptop works beautifully, as you can tell. No cracks, no imperfections. Clean the screen quick. It's like another job well done. Now just to do the billing and we're good to go. So thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, all those clicks and whatever else, and I'll see you on the next video.